Yeah, people are mad thing on it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You know, it's Dex Media. We're at Red Hills Road, right here at Price Mark. Right now I'm gonna vlog, stick around to the video. First time I'm doing a vlog like this, so subscribe if you're not subscribed. Dex Media. Yeah guys, so I think you can see what I'm going, yeah. As you can see what I'm going, people. Only a parking spot over here. That's the best thing about over here. Hey John, I'm forget a ticket or something? That's not my one.
Must be a good try.
Oh no. I think that's security. Alright people, I'm looking at my things that I don't security, I give you a badge or something for that, but and it's over here. As you can see, Price Smart is very nice, convenient. I always hear about the place here, you know. My first time I get the chance to actually go myself. You understand? Very, very big supermarket. And not just supermarket, I have everything over here. Basically, as you can see what I want. Big uptown supermarket. Yeah. So, hopefully you enjoy the vlog here and subscribe. I don't know, it's Dex Media. But look over there, so people. Holy fuck here. So you can just imagine, so we have to take this step to reach a supermarket. So you know, it's a mad thing, you know, people. You see that? Big place. Remember, it's the Red Hills Road today. Go to the family. Yes, people. Wow. Wow. Never know if you could have parked up here. See, man, come from here. Parking spot can't full up here, Maya. Yeah. More convenient. Yeah. Wow. And the biggest thing is Jamaica. I can't believe. Yeah, I used. Yeah, man, you had it in my life. This is the Price membership shop here. But I like one thing over here though, you have to be a membership shop. I'm not a membership, so I'm gonna see how it will go same way. I'm not buying much stuff though. Yeah, for my membership card to shop over here. So most people come here to buy them cake and all these things because they have bakery over here. So you know, say it's a good look. Yes, people.
What look like a few rich people.
Rich people place, you know. And uptown, you know. I must hear so the Prime Minister shop me, you know, and that's it. Parking spot for days. Yeah, people, just a couple days before my birthday. Yeah, I go and give thanks to you, you see it. Go to the family. Yeah, that's one day left, August 5th. So you can comment happy birthday in the comment section. Same way, see it. Alright. It's like a storeroom that. I wonder. I find out, yeah. Them push them themselves. Nobody now push it for them. I have a big old one. And I like supermarket thing. Probably them have to pack them one back too. Where ain't chance from Jay? Go on, sir. Wow. So what going on? Prepare for this? Yeah? Prepare for this, Alisa? Oh! Yeah, people are mad thing on it. It's here. Alright. That's right, that's the main entrance. Good morning.
Lighting is not allowed on the inside.
Alright, no. On a live stream. YouTube, Okay. Alright, people, so we're inside. As you can see in here, it's very, very big and very spacious. There's a section for everything. Can get your fridge, everything. But I'm really look for the liquor section, but I don't really see the liquor section yet. So I'm just going observe, see where I can find the liquor section. Excuse me, have an idea where I can find the liquor section? Yeah. Alright, then. Wow, so as you can see, we're going to reach at the clothing section. So right here, so sell all of the clothes then. Uptown place, you know. Everything in here there. Oh, price them not bad. Price them there. A one-stop shop, man. You know, I forgot nowhere. Nowhere else. That's here, so you come. But the price then not bad. Oh, the mirror girl stuffs. Yeah, man. Clothes stuffs and everything. So I'm going to get clothes. Underwear in here too. Boxers. Okay. 4,000 of you fuck. Original, man. Wow. How much is it? Oh, a few much cheaper. Never. Yes. Oh, it's nice. Oh, liquor section over here, so now.
It's really big.
Alright, so we just have fresh liquor section.
Anybody want to get it?
Alright, so we reach the liquor section, people. Alright. In general, which one we can find in NEC? Yeah. Alright, just done more? Does the pure right alone not have? Both, yeah. 1,000. How much is it?
Expensive.
I'm not going anymore. Yeah, that one I'm used to. Alright, so the liquor section now, people, see it. So I say I can get a Moscato from Earth Strong. So I find them right now, you see it. All I liquor them convenient, as I can show now. Very convenient. Yeah guys, so right now I'm still at Price Smart, you see it. So I tried to use the ATM a while ago, but the ATM not work. So right now I ask a random stranger if she can buy things them for me, see it. So basically out here, so at the parking spot. So I'm going to show you how I go and see how you see it. So if people then push them trolley, we can then buy them thing from out here, entrance, and then push it and go all the way down there to the car, you see it. Yeah, that's a procedure. Okay guys, these are the stuff that I take up. Then say our birthday come up. So I did need these Moscato for my birthday because I realized that they are cheap over here. So we're going to the cashier right now. Balloon. Alright, so we just get through people and we exit, you know? Alright. Yes, this way are the exit. should I share the receipt? Oh, the receipt. This is the next procedure. I have to show them the receipt. Okay. Let me show you. Oh, that is.
Check it.
No.
Felicia. Felicia. Felicia, ma, this kind of thing come on here.
Alright, so we just exit out there now. Alright. There's some women in there. Now which part out there in there? I call them. I don't know, people come like we lost, you know. I look and I try to remember which one. Oh, around here, sir. Yeah, man, same place around here, sir. Around here, so down. Then this way. It's not safe, you know, it's being... Alright. I move like a real country, you know, I tell her. Yeah, to them over there, for real. Wow. Alright, people. So we just exit now from Price Smart. Please remember to subscribe. Hopefully you enjoy the vlog. I try to do my best to capture what I could capture. I could capture everything, but I still try to go on things. So big up on yourself.